Welcome to Camille CRP. While creating a stock listing report, you can add data from an Excel template. To fill from an Excel template, access INVT08. In the following screen, click New button. Then, fill the relevant information such as company, plant, warehouse. Then, choose the type of the document as Black Adjustment Document. Then click the Confirm button. Go to Items tab and click on the Fill Adjustment Table. From the drop-down menu, choose from Excel and choose the file that you want to add. Then click Confirm. As you can see, all the materials from the Excel template are transferred into our inventory adjustment document. After checking the rows, then click the Save button.